Hey pool owners, welcome back. Today I'm reviewing the Baracuda G3W03000 Advanced Suction Side Automatic Pool Cleaner. A simple yet effective way to keep your in-ground pool clean without a lot of fuss. I've had it running for a while now, and I'm going to share its top features, what I like most, and what you should consider before buying. Quiet, powerful diaphragm suction system. First up, the Baracuda G3 uses a durable, single moving part diaphragm that delivers strong suction power while staying whisper quiet. It's great for cleaning without creating a lot of noise around the pool. Works with low-speed pumps. It's designed to perform well even with low-speed or variable speed pumps, which can help save energy and reduce operating costs while still getting a thorough clean. Simple design with few moving parts. The G3 has a straightforward design with very few moving parts. That means less maintenance, fewer breakdowns, and a longer lifespan compared to more complex cleaners. 36-fin disc for maximum adhesion. The large 36-fin disc improves adhesion to the pool surface and helps it navigate over drains, lights, and tight corners without getting stuck. Easy hose attachment and setup. Setup is quick. It connects directly to your pool skimmer or dedicated suction line. The included hose sections click together easily, and you can have it running in minutes. Reliable and simple, with minimal moving parts. It's built to last and easy to fix if needed. Quiet operation. You can run it without disturbing poolside relaxation. Good performance with low-speed pumps. Energy savings without sacrificing cleaning ability. Suction-only cleaning. It's great for dirt and small debris, but won't handle very large leaves as well as some other types. Dependent on pool pump. It won't run unless your pool pump is on, unlike robotic cleaners that operate independently. Overall, the Baracuda G3W03000 is a dependable, quiet, and low-maintenance choice for in-ground pool owners who want solid cleaning performance without complicated tech. If you want to check it out, I've included the product link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more pool gear reviews, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and happy swimming!